Hello everybody and welcome back to Caldera Creations. My name is Roxana and today we are making a beautiful floral Independence Day. We are working with some florals. We got some variety of colors, blue, white, and red. We also are working with some ferns. We got these red beauties. We also working with a couple little stars. We got this beautiful ribbon for my Bodabra. Scissors and wire cutters, and let's get this started. Okay, first thing first, we are gonna put these beautiful florals on. We're gonna work our way here, work our way downwards. Oh my, look at these. How to cut like that. Get that in there. There, spread them out. Get this one right down there. Balance your florals out. Ooh, look at that. And then we are gonna, you could get your glue gun, work with your glue gun or wire them on. Got that one there. I found these little beadies at the $1.25 store. Be cute, Gonna get more greenery, ferns up in here. Get these way down in here like that. Look at that. Wow. Then we're gonna work over here. I think we're gonna let me see. I think we're gonna get one more way in here. Look at that. Step back and visualize. Check out how it's looking. We'll get some more down here. Lift these up and work your way in here. Some down in there. Wow, kind of bend it and curve it. Curve them the way you would like them to go. Whoa. Look at that. Ferns are beautiful. They go a lot up in Oregon. In the mountains. So beautiful. And we're going to get another one right in here. That. How's it looking, everybody? Thumbs up. Or leave a comment. Or just say hello. I like to hear from you guys. And we're going to get these red beauties on right there. And another one down in here. Like I said, balance your items out. And wait, I think we're not going to put that there. We're going to put some red up in here. Look at that. That's better, huh? Yes, indeed. Now we are going to get some of these little stars. And just see, barely, put some little star up in there. Look at that, everybody. I don't know. I was debating whether to put them on or not. Okay, now we're going to get our ribbon. Let's see, get this attached to, hang on, this guy there. Let's do my ribbon. It's kind of difficult with thin wire. Oh, let's get on there. Then we're going to twist this on. Oh, we got it. Like I said, you could use your glue or more wiring on your wreaths. Then we're just going to puff this beauty up and look at that. And we're going to get this. I think we're going to put this guy over here. Look. Like that. And I think we got it, everybody. Another beautiful Independence Day. This will be my last one for the year. We are going to go for some summer year-round wreaths on our next episode. So stop by and if you like and enjoy and got some inspiration on my channel, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. And you will also be helping my channel grow. With that said, look what we made today, everybody. How is that? So beautiful. Let me get my little stand so we can see better. And thanks for coming to my channel. Have a great and wonderful day. And let's get that smile on, everybody. Woo, look at that. How beautiful, huh? The beautiful florals. We got ribbons. We got stars. And happy 4th of July, everybody. Thanks for watching my channel. Come again.